Hi Crakies, this is Mimi Habonga. I'm publicly declaring that I joined the Kraken Challenge. I'm committing to post consistently for 45 days. My goal is pumaldo, so I'm aiming to hit 1 million views and to have 10,000 followers. Siguro, nagtataka kayo bakit may ganitong pakulo ako. Gusto kong pumaldo so I'm activating my paldo era. Gusto kong pumaldo sa buhay, hindi lang sa add to cart, kundi sa consistency, confidence, at opportunities. Kaya I'm building Miss Monetize, giving you honest reviews of Shopee finds and TikTok budol's. Proven and tested products before link kasi ayokong mambudol nang hindi ako sure. So if you're into that, follow me and be my monetizers. And if I don't deliver, I will donate 1,000 pesos per month to Animal Rescue PH and update you my progress. So no excuses, only lessons learned, then balik agad. Wala nang atrasan to. Let's execute para pumaldo.